Model 2017 Citroen Relay Boxer Ducato 35L3 Bluehdi Flatbed Dropside 12 months MOT. Body white flatbed. Mileage 74,310. MOT the 4th of February 2026. Engine 1997 ccdw10 FUDA. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts great. Runs great. The transmission and gearbox are in good condition and it pulls well through all gears. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119